to my channel. My name is Delene and I usually do videos on luxury goods. I usually do videos on some skin and also a little bit, I guess, fashion if I'm doing a haul here and there, right? So anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and show you what I got at Louis Vuitton. I went in there for one item and I decided to get two things. And you guys, I am so excited to show it to you. It is just something, these two things are something that I've been wanting, but I didn't want to spend the money for it because I'd rather put money towards a nice handbag. But this time I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. So let me show you guys what I got. So it came in this bag here, and I got two items, and I am so excited. So I did post one of them on Instagram, and I did post one of them on one of my videos that I did. So here you go. Let me go ahead and open this. You guys, this piece here, I saw this and I just had to have it. It is such a pretty piece, and I've been looking at something like this for about a year and a half, and finally I saw this one and I thought, okay, this is the piece. So you guys, here you go. Look at that. I did post this on Instagram, you guys, and look at that. It is so pretty. This is all leather. At first I thought it was canvas, but it is not. It is all leather, and it is just so pretty. I love it because it matches basically majority of my everyday wear, and that's what I wanted. And you guys, it is so easy to put on. I know a lot of the Louis Vuitton bracelets are hard to put on, but I can do this so easily, and there it goes. So how cute is that? It does come in a red piece. That's the piece that I was actually really going for, but when I was trying it on with what I had, I felt like it didn't go with it. And the colors that I was wearing was usually the colors that I do wear, so I felt that maybe the red one was not a good color for me. So when I saw this one as well, I just thought this is definitely the piece that I do want. So I asked them if they had a cream or a pink one, because that would be more of the color that I would like versus the red, but this one is just exactly what I wanted. And also it comes in two different sizes. It comes in a medium and a small. I do have the small, and like I said, it is just so easy to put on. And I've been wearing this in the past, I guess I've been wearing it in the past 3 days. So I am just loving it, and it looks good with a lot of my other bracelets as well. Okay, you guys. So for my next item, this is something that I've been looking at as well. It's a bag charm, and I don't like bag charms with a lot of little pieces hanging. I did have one at one time, and it would just hit each other and just make so much noise. I saw this piece. It's been around for a while, I would say. Okay, so here we go. And there, I was so excited when I bought this piece. I literally went in for the bracelet, and I saw this, and I went back and forth to decide if I really wanted to get it. Because you guys, when you really think about it, buying SLGs or bracelets or charms really does take away from the bag that you want to purchase. So I try not to buy as many little pieces anymore. Well, going forward, I won't. Except I do want a little wallet. And I know I said I wasn't going to buy any Prada, but I love Prada. But this is something that I probably won't get rid of. But I did see a little small Prada wallet that I am thinking about getting. A little small one, like about that size. And I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm not going to buy too many SLGs after this. Maybe a little round coin purse, and that's it. But I'm looking for a... waiting for a good Christmas animation one, and I think I know which one I want because I saw a picture of it. So we'll see if I get it or not, because I don't want to spend as much money anymore on little luxury items anymore. I don't it just takes away from me buying the bags that I want. Because when you think about it, these luxury SLGs and these luxury things like this and your bracelets do cost money. So, and plus I can only wear so many of them and I can only use so many of my SLGs. So anyways, okay, you guys, I am very excited about this. I don't have the purse that I'm carrying with me. I'm actually carrying my South Bank today. I have a video on it, so I'll go ahead and link that. That is my top viewed bag, so I will link that, but that is one of my favorites. It's a crossbody, it's Damia Bin. It is just so cute and it is so carefree. So I forgot that downstairs and I don't want to go downstairs, so let me go ahead and put my charm on this bag. So I don't know if it does it any justice in the camera, but in person it is so pretty. I think it adds so much to this bag, and it is, oh, I don't know, I've been wanting something like this. But you guys tell me, whoever owns this charm, does it get a little annoying? Because I've been using it and it gets hooked on things. I have gotten hooked on clothes. I have jeans with stressed like holes in it, and it's gotten caught in that. It's gotten caught on my daughter when I was passing by her. So I don't know if I made a mistake buying this. So I'm just saying this out loud so you guys know before you purchase it. But if anyone has this charm, please let me know if it irritates you or not, because it has irritated me. I would say out of the 5 times that I've used it, that it has gotten caught 3 times out of the 5. So I'm getting a little worried, and I spent money on this. So you guys, if you do get a charm, I do recommend not getting anything that can hook onto other items. It is not worth it unless you are not buying a luxury piece and spent all this money on it. But as you can see, things do get hooked on here. So even my bracelet that I was wearing, not this one, but I have a bracelet that you pull, and so I have 2 strings hanging off of it, and at the end of the string there was a bead, and the bead got caught right in there. So I was kind of stuck between my purse and my you know, my bracelet. So I was caught and I had nobody to help me to try to get it out, so it took me a while. So anyways, I do love the piece. I will continue using it. I'll just make sure that I'm not wearing jeans that are stressed, and that bracelet. So anyways, you guys, let me know what you guys think about my 2 pieces, and if you guys are having problems with this, if you do have it. And you guys have a wonderful day. I do have to get ready for work, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.